Hi, let us understand how to install CentOS 8 as a part of Oracle VM VirtualBox Manager. I'm going to create a new VM and name it as temp CentOS 8. Let me select the location. I'm going to have it in say C drive VMs and say next. I'll be having the memory as around 5 GB and I'll allow it to create the virtual hard disk. I'll make the hard disk type of VDI. I'll have the storage as dynamically allocated. Storage I'll mark it as 32 GB and create the VM. Let me get into the settings and make few changes so that we can go ahead and do the installation. I'll leave all the values as a part of general as it is. Within system, I will remove floppy and the pointing device, I'll make it as USB tablet in case if you're using the USB mouse, it will capture the mouse pointers within the VM without any issue. A number of processors, I'll increase it to 2 so that the performance will be better. And within storage, I'll select the CD drive and within the CD drive, I'll be selecting the ISO for CentOS 8. Before this, you have to download the CentOS 8. You can get into the CentOS website, centos.org and get into downloads page. By default, now it's allowing only CentOS 7 because no longer the CentOS 8 is supported with a long-term support. So we can get into the alternative downloads, get into the mirrors and select the location near to you. Here you will have all the versions of CentOS. I can select 8.5 iOS folder and the architecture. You will have dvd1.iso. Download this file and I'll be selecting that specific file as a part of the CD drive so that this particular CD will be used to boot this VM. I'll leave all the values as default one and start the VM. I have two options, either to install the CentOS or to test the CentOS by dynamically starting from the media. I'm going to do the installation. I have the languages selected. Say continue. I'll leave the keyboard installation source as it is. Change the installation destination. I'll have the default hard disk as it is and get into network and host. Here I will turn on the networking, say this particular driver, and if I want I can change the host name. And if I wanted to configure any of the static IP address or any IP related details, I can go ahead and do it over here. Then I have to set the root password. If I want, I can create a user. That user will be used to log into the UI for the first time. I can make this particular user as an administrator over here. I'll start with the installation. The installation will happen in a minute or two. The installation is complete. I can go ahead and reboot the system. I need to accept the license information. Let me accept and finish the configuration. Let me log in. I can verify the installation. Let me confirm the layout of the keyboard and other details. Now I am ready to use the VM. I can open a browser and check whether I'm able to access any internet website. With this, we have the CentOS 8 operating system installed in Oracle VM VirtualBox Manager.